Are you ready to delve into the world of government investigations and make a meaningful impact in public service? 3 SIRS Certificate 4 in Government Investigations is your gateway to a thrilling and rewarding career. This comprehensive course equips you with the skills to conduct detailed investigations from planning to execution. You'll learn to gather and analyze information, prepare evidence briefs, and enforce search and seizure orders with precision. Study online at your own pace with our engaging and user-friendly e-learning platform. Master core units like planning and initiating an investigation and elective units tailored to your career goals. Our graduates thrive in roles like investigating officer, manager, and compliance specialist, making a real difference in the public sector. Join a community of dedicated professionals. Enroll in 3 SIRS Certificate 4 in Government Investigations today and take the first step towards a future where your skills safeguard and improve our public services. Your journey to becoming a government investigation expert starts here.